Mom is so busy. Maybe I should not bother her. But I need to know. Does Mom love me? Mom?
Yes, honey? One moment, please.
She feels more lonely now.
See? She doesn't have time. She doesn't love me. I am not important.
Emma? Emma, where are you? Honey, where are you? She's not here.
Mom is always busy.
Emma is sitting in her room. She feels lonely. Listen, Mom is working downstairs.
Hi, yes, I'm here. Okay, I'm pulling it up now. Yes, that looks perfect. I'll send it over. Mom is always working. She talks on the phone. She types on the computer. Does she love me?
Emma is thinking. She feels sad.
I want to ask her, but I am scared. What if she says no?
Emma is thinking. She feels
I
sad.
want to ask her, but I am scared. What if she says no? Why isn't Mommy here? I don't understand. I miss her so much. It makes me so sad.
Emma walks to the stairs. She stops. She is nervous.
Mom is so busy. Maybe I should not bother her, but I need to know. Does Mom love me?
Emma walks down slowly.
Mom, do you love me? No, that sounds silly. Mom, do you have time for me? No, that's not right either.
Emma is practicing. She wants to ask the perfect question.
Oh, the weather is changing. It's getting dark outside.
Emma reaches the living room. Mom is there. She is typing fast on her laptop.
Mom?
Yes, honey? One moment, please.
Never mind.
Emma turns around. She walks away slowly. She feels more lonely now.
See? She doesn't have time. She doesn't love me. I am not important.
The rain is starting outside. Emma sits by the window. She watches the raindrops.
The rain is like my tears. I feel sad. So sad.
Emma, where are you? Emma! Emma? Emma, where are you? Emma, sweetheart? I finished my work. Let's spend time together. Honey, where are you? She's not here.
Mom is looking for Emma. She checks the kitchen. Emma is not there. She checks the playroom. Emma is not there either.
There you are. Emma, what's wrong? You look sad.
Mom, can I ask you something? Mom, do you love me?
Emma, of course I do.
You do?
More than anything. Emma, look at me. Look into my eyes.
Emma looks at Mom's face.
But you are always busy. You work all the time. You don't play with me.
I'm so sorry, Emma. I didn't know you felt this way.
Mom hugs Emma tight. It's a warm hug. It's a loving hug.
Let me tell you something important. I work hard for our family. But work is not more important than you. Never.
Really?
Really, I work because I love you. I want to give you a good life. But I should show my love better.
Every day?
Every single day. We can read together. We can play together. We can talk together. There. Perfect fit. Every time you look at it, you will remember my love.
Thank you, Mom. I love it. I will wear it every day.
Good. And Emma?
Yes, Mom? Mom, do you love me?
Thank you for asking me that question. It was a brave question. Now I know I need to show my love more clearly.
I love you too, Mom. Mom, can we play a game now?
Yes! Let's play your favorite game. But first, I love you.
I love you too, Mom. So much.
Mom and Emma hug again. It's a happy hug.
Ready to go, sweetie?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, pedal now. I've got you.
Doing it. Yes, you are.
Keep going.
Whee, this is fun. This is so much fun.
It really is, sweetie. Let's skip together. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whee. Mom,
Yes, sweetheart.
do you love me?
I love you to the moon and back. Always.
Good. Because I love you too.
Emma closes her eyes. She is not lonely anymore. She knows Mom loves her. The night is peaceful now. Remember, if you have a question in your heart, ask it. Love should always be spoken. Be brave like Emma.
I will.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.